All right. Hello, Rocketeers, and welcome to Math with Mr. Carwell. Today, we're going to focus on the commutative property of multiplication and some review of repeated addition in equal groups. So let's take a look at the question below. It says, write two different sets of equations to match the array. So in my array, I see one, I have 4 rows of 5, and the other array, I see that I have 5 rows of 4. And we know that rows go straight across and columns go up and down. Rows go straight across and columns go up and down. So I need to figure out, as a mathematician, what is the repeated addition equations? What are the equal groups of both arrays? And what are the multiplication equations? Let's take a look and dive into the work so we can make sure we are answering the question correctly. All right, Rocketeers. So as we see, I'm going to label these array A and array B. So I'm first going to start with array A. I know that I have 4 rows of 5. So that's 4 groups of 5. So that's 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. And I know that I have 4 equal groups of 5. And that means 4 times 5 equals 20. And if you need to check 5, 10, 15, 20, that's 5 4 times equals 20. I have 4 groups of 5. So that's the equal group statement. And then 4 times 5 equals 20, because I just proved it in my repeated addition equation. But also I know my multiplication fact, so I'm really fluent at this too. And I know you are as well. So now we're going to go to array B. I have 5 groups of 4, so 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 20. So that means I have 5 equal groups of 4. And then that's 5 times 4 equals 20. Now let's pay attention to this column here. 4 times 5 is 20, and 5 times 4 equals 20. Now, there's some great math happening there, and it's called the commutative property of multiplication. It's called the commutative property of multiplication, which means these two numbers in this problem are called factors. And the answer to a multiplication problem is called a product. So I can switch my factors around and get the same product. If you see, 4 moved to the slot here and 5 moved to the slot here, or became my first or second factor. So when we switch the factors around, we can get the same product. When we switch the factors around, we can get the same product. Rocketeers, I can't wait to see the work that you're going to do today by switching these factors around using commutative property and getting the same product. So your work will be assigned on Google Classroom, and I'm so excited to see the great things that you are doing.